Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make egusi soup with stockfish. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of egusi seeds, 1 large onion, and 2 bell peppers. Don't forget 1 piece of pre-soaked stockfish and 1 pound of your favorite assorted meats. We'll also use half a cup of palm oil, 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish, and some seasoning cubes. Finally, have 1 cup of chopped leafy greens ready. Now let's prepare the egusi paste. Blend your egusi seeds with just a little water until you achieve a thick, smooth paste. This consistency is key for the soup's texture. Next, finely chop your onion and bell peppers. These will form the aromatic base. Boil your assorted meats and the soaked stockfish until they are tender, then set aside the flavorful broth. Break the stockfish into smaller, manageable pieces. It's time to build our delicious soup base. Heat about half a cup of palm oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they become fragrant and soft. Now, carefully add the egusi paste in small lumps to the pot and fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, pour in your reserved meat and stockfish broth, stirring everything together until well combined. We're almost there. Add your cooked meats, stockfish, and 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish to the simmering soup. Stir everything gently to combine. Now, season your soup with seasoning cubes and salt to taste, ensuring the flavors are perfectly balanced. Finally, stir in your 1 cup of chopped leafy greens and let it simmer for just 3 to 5 minutes. Your delicious egusi soup is ready to be served hot with your favorite swallow or rice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.